Hello, how are you? My name is Willington Diaz, your travel advisor. We want to invite you and your family to get to know our beautiful island of San Andres. It is located on the Colombian Caribbean coast and where your wildlife and unique experience. Because there you will find beautiful beach with beautiful landscape and skin fauna and flora. It has larger number of tourist sites, which will keep you through the trip to name a few: Unique Key, Glover Hall, San Andres Bay, the Aquarium, the Morgan's Cave, Santa Catalina Bay. In a lot of things, will be able to serve different types of color fish, rice, among other animals. It has an humid climate with an approximate temperature of 28.4 degrees centigrade to 32.5 degrees centigrade, regular ideal for activities. The island has very comfortable hotels and to stay and also with various transportation such touribus, bicycle, golf cars, jeep, motorcycle, so that visitor can move to place of interest. You can also enjoy delicious typical dishes such as rundown, crab soup, dumpling, and drinks such as sorrel, coco loco, tropical fruit cocktail at the hotel where you stay or the some of the city restaurants. You will have several travel plans for you to choose from according to your interests, with their average well, value is between 1,250,000 to 1,450,000 Colombian pesos, and the additional money you wish to take to purchase souvenirs on tours of the city. San Andres, a paradise day, always awaits you. Thank you very much. Good night, everybody.